Hi, welcome to Mobile NCK Reader. And the Mi 11 Lite 5G is the first phone on the market to boast the brand new 5nm Snapdragon 780G chipset. The first thing you notice about the Mi 11 Lite 5G is just how light it actually feels in the hand. It weighs just 159 grams despite packing a respectably sized 6.55-inch screen up front. The panel is AMOLED and boasts full HD plus resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 plus support. Bezels are quite slim and uniform, and there's a 20MP selfie cam tucked in the left corner of the screen. The panel is also protected by Gorilla Glass 6, which should help with durability. The back features a matte glass finish, which deals fine with smudges and greasy fingers. The Mi 11 Lite 5G features a triple camera setup with a 64-megapixel main shooter alongside an 8-megapixel ultra-wide snapper and 5-megapixel macro module. The box contents include a 33-watt charger, USB-C cable, silicone case, a spare screen protector, and a 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. You get 6 GB RAM, NFC, and MIUI 12 on top of Android 11. The battery department is handled by a 4250mAh cell with 33-watt charging. We're quite impressed with what we've seen so far from the Mi 11 Lite 5G. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching our videos.